Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce and today I am very excited because I'm going to share with you an unboxing of my iPhone 13 Pro. Why did I choose the 13 Pro instead of the 13 Pro Max? Let me tell you something. I was actually hurting myself. I used to have my iPhone X Max and there was a point where this part of my hands, it started to hurt very bad. So I decided that my next phone will be a smaller size. Yes, it is nice to have the big screen when you are watching movies or TV shows, Netflix, YouTube videos on your iPhone. But if you are not using it for that and if you're carrying it on at all times and wherever you go, I truly recommend you to get the iPhone 13 Pro instead of the Pro Max. And why did I get the iPhone 13 Pro? Because of the 3 cameras right here, the 3 lenses right here. They will help me a lot with my content. Although I still need to figure out how to edit my videos with 4K and HD with a lot of light, but I wanted to have these extra feature, extra lens. And if you're interested in knowing where did I get my iPhone case, I'm gonna leave the link in the description down below. Also, I got a screen protector. I always have a screen protector and an iPhone case whenever I get a new phone. They actually arrive before the iPhone because having kids, it's terrifying when you get a new device as expensive as is the iPhone. So I really need to protect it. Since I have kids, I get the Apple Care. So this helps me to maintain my iPhone safe. And I did like this case because it's still showing silver color. I always like to have a case that protects my devices because, you know, they are very expensive. So let's go and start with this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the like button and on the subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye.